Man, I'm so bored. We've been outside all day, and now it's starting to get hot. See?
Yeah.
It's gonna rain soon.
Yeah, and there's nothing else to do. What can we do, Harry?
Well, obviously we can't play outside for much longer because it's gonna rain soon. So, oh, back up, dude. Oh my god. Okay, so, do you know anything we can do? Because I honestly don't. Like, I mean, look at this swing. It's gonna start raining. We can't go on there, and that's metal. We're gonna die if we get electrocuted. So,
Yeah.
what do we do?
So we can play on our Wii. You can play on my Wii U.
Wait, you have a Wii U?
Yeah, you didn't know that?
No, I thought this is the first time I'm at your house.
Huh.
Okay. You wanna go now?
Okay.
All right, let's just go down the slide.
You go first.
Ow.
Up and away.
Ooh, thank God you have this dog thing, whatever this is, our little chariot.
Yeah, you have to pay him. So
I'll pay him 3 kisses. Okay, I don't have money. I'm sorry, I'm broke. Stupid.
All right.
Okay, come on, run before he kills us. Okay.
all right. Are you ready to see the majestic room?
The majestic.
Dog.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, I'm sorry. Here. I gave you money. Okay. Ooh, he tried killing me. I paid you. Shut your mouth, boy. Okay.
All right. Are you ready to see the majestic room?
Yes, I am ready to see the majestic room.
Dog, can you shut up? Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Welcome.
Whoa. Is that a Wii U gamepad?
Yup.
Wait. Whoa. You have your own TV?
Yes.
Wait. Oh my God, your own personal robot? How'd you get your own personal robot? Okay, whoa. Can I say something?
What?
Your room is a mess.
Oh yeah. I kind of like I like my room. I clean it once a year.
Okay, I'm not even gonna ask. Okay. Come on. So, let's go play the Wii U or something.
All right.
Oh, wait, whoa. Oh my God, look at all these trophies. Man, dude, you got a lot of trophies. You famous or something. All right, come on.
I'm a sportsman.
So, this is the Wii U gamepad. How do I use it?
Oh, you turn it on like this. You see this button right here?
Mm-hmm.
You press it.
Okay, let's just
there.
play. I'll figure it out. 3,
All right, let me turn it on.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm gonna beat it. We're gonna beat it. Oh,
No.
Oh, it fell.
No.
No, hopefully it didn't break.
Yeah, I know it has a good case.
What the? Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
I think I heard that. You think we should take a look?
Yeah, let's. Why is there a chicken in the house? Would you care to explain?
I don't know how that got in my room.
Chicken? No, hey, get off of that. That's not. Oh, that's a deadly chicken. Okay, we should probably get out of here. Okay, come on. Ooh, bye, chicken. We'll never love you ever. Go. Ah! Ah! evil chicken. Fight me. Oh! Ah! 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 Red, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Are you okay? You sure?
Yes. It was a little hard fall.
Okay, let's go find out what's going on with that chicken.
Alright.
Help! Well, who was that? Over there.
Was that the chicken?
I think it was the chicken. All right, come on, come on, come on. Woody? Woody? What are you doing here? Well, I was just playing in my chicken suit, and you two decide to beat me up.
Ow! You wet me.
Yeah, dude, you can't be wetting people. You beat me up. I was just trying to play in my chicken suit, and you were being mean. So I don't deserve that. I really don't. Well, we're sorry. Wait. Then how are you making the chicken noises? What? I said, how are you making the chicken noises? What chicken noises?